Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to find the volume of rectangular prism. So first of all, what is a volume? So you all have a water bottle, right? So if you see in a water bottle, there is water obviously. So how do you measure the water in a bottle? You measure the water in the bottle by volume. So don't mind my drawing, okay? I'm not a drawing teacher. But if you look at the bottle, there will be written somewhere like 300 ml, 300 milliliter, or maybe 500 milliliter, or maybe 1 liter, like this, okay? So that is the volume of water. Now, if you have a rectangular prism, so how do you draw the rectangular prism? First of all, what is a rectangle? A rectangle is a shape where the opposite sides are equal. It means this side is equal this and this side is equal this. So for example, if this side is 3, this will also be 3. And if this is 6, this will be how much? 6. So what is the area formula? The area formula is length multiply width, right? So this is 6 multiply this. This we have already studied, okay? If the unit is meter, then meter square. But now what will be the volume of rectangular prism? To do that, first of all, we need to draw rectangular prism. How we will draw it? Okay, do one thing, draw a rectangle where opposite sides are equal, okay? So try to draw as equal as possible. It's a rough drawing, so no problem, little bit here and there. Now start from here, somewhere here, and stop in the middle, and then go all the way. Try to draw the same length as this, okay? Rough idea, just not the exact one, no problem. And like this, okay? Now next is very easy, just connect this and this and this and this. This is your rectangular prism. This is how you draw the rectangular prism. In the rectangular prism, this side and this side will have the same area. They are same. The top and bottom also same, and the front and back also same. Now I cannot show you the front and back. Try to take a box. I've discussed that thing in the next part of the surface area surface area of rectangular prism. So you can watch that video. Okay, so now let's try to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, I hope you understood the basics now. So let me take a proper shape now. Just give me a second. Okay, now this is your rectangular prism. Good. Now shape fill, let's take this is better. Now in this rectangular prism, what will be the length? What do you think? Where will be the length? So the length is this. So you take this as length. Okay. Where will be the width? This is your width. W-I-D-T-H. You write W. L for length. This is L. And H for height. H for height. Now there is a formula for this. So capital V is equal length multiply width multiply height. This is the formula to find the volume of rectangular prism. So remember this formula if you want to find volume. V for volume. Okay, this is L. Don't get confused. Okay, now let's say if the length is 6 meter, the width is 2 meter, and the height is, let's say, 4 meter. Okay, let me write here 2. This is 6, this is 2, this is 4. Now what we will do? We will simply substitute. Volume is equal, length is 6, width is 2, height is 4. So multiply all of them. 6 multiply 2, 12. 12 multiply 4 will give you 48. And the unit is meter. So this time when it is volume, the unit will be power 3. Okay, because this is 6 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, so power 3. This is the simplest example. Now I'm going to speed up, so try to cope up with me. Okay, now let's take this example. The length is 3.5, width is 2.1, and the height is, let's say, 3. So the volume formula is length multiply width multiply height. Substitute the value or put the value 3.5 multiply 2.1 multiply height is 3. This is your height, this is your width, this is your length if you have any confusion. So multiply all of this and you will get your answer. What will be the unit? Now I have not given you the unit. Okay, so if the unit is centimeter, then the unit of volume will be centimeter. Okay, just okay, yes. Let's take, yeah, so no problem, centimeter cube. Okay, so one more type of question. If it is, let's say, 10, this is 4 and this is 6. Volume is equal length multiply width multiply height, and this is 10 multiply 4 multiply 6. This is your length, this is your length, this is your width, and this is your height. Multiply this and you will get your answer. Okay, so this is how you will find the volume of rectangular prism. Do some practice by yourself, and if you have any problem, watch the video again. I'm sure this is very easy, so you will definitely understand. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next video.